Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Toca Daisy, and today is a rainy day and I'm just coming from school. There's so much thunderstorm. I think it will be a best every day, but it's super duper rainy and I have to go to my home because I'm super duper late. It's 5:30 and I have just reached. So let's go and like, share, and subscribe. Oh, Mrs. Clara. Hi, Daisy. What are you doing here? I'm just coming from my university. Oh, you're super duper late. I think so. I'm just studying in the library. Can I help you? And lecture? Sure, thank you for your help. Let's go. By the way, thank you for your help. And what are you doing here? I'm just coming from a library. Okay, thank you for your help, Mrs. Clara. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry, I just wanna be like, thank you so much. Mommy, open the door. Oh, it's Daisy, but it's raining outside. Oh, it's leaking in my house. Good afternoon, Mom. Good evening, Mommy. Good evening, Daisy. Mommy, what is this? Why it's raining in our home? Daisy, it's leaking. What? Oh my god. What's this? Thank you, Mrs. Clara, for your help. Mommy, can it be? Yes, it can be. Now it's my time to see TV. Now it's my turn. No, it's my turn to play my favorite set. No, it's my turn. No, it's mine. No, it's mine, I said. No, it's my turn. I just say one. No, I just say. No, it's my turn to see my favorite show. No, everyone, it's my favorite time to show. Okay, what is this? Not my problem. Sister, please give me. I just want to see my favorite show. No. What even you think? I just think about you. I just hope it all goes. So I just think so. Oh my god, Mommy, it's a thunderstorm. Oh my god, what do I do? Oh shit, it's just a breeze. Why the television is not working? Oh my god, Mommy, it's sister, what do we do? The thunderstorm will break our house. No, it's just stopped. You don't have to cry. Stop it. You can see your favorite show. Stop. It's over. What happened? Mommy, it's just a normal thunderstorm and they were cry. Oh, don't worry. It's a normal thing. It's just a thunderstorm. No anything. Oh, Mommy. You want some snacks? Mommy, can I get some snacks, please? Yes, Mommy, can I also? Okay, sure, I'm getting. Mommy, please mine also. Here's the snack. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy, for mine one. It's super tasty. Thank you. Mommy, where's mine? Oh, your dad is coming. He will get it up. Okay, Mommy. Don't worry, he will get it, yours. Okay, Mommy, don't worry. Randa disconnect. I don't know where is she. Where is he? Oh, I think he come. Okay, mommy. Oh my god, it's super rainy day. I don't love it. Open the door. Who is it on the door? I think it's Jack. Oh, hi, Jack. Hi, it's just a really lazy rainy day. Yes, I think it's the biggest thunderstorm. Why it's leaking? I don't know. Here's the Jenny. Here's the Daisy snack. Thank you for your help. By the way, why you're just like what? Yes, it's just a bored day. I think. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's a thunderstorm. What do we do? Oh my god, the power is gone. Oh no. Sister, it's a disaster. Oh no. Mommy, what do we do? It's the biggest disaster. Sister, help us. Oh my god. Mommy, don't cry. It's just a normal thunderstorm. Mommy, it's hit our house. I don't want to eat a snack, Daddy. Sorry. Mommy, it's not a disaster. It's just hit our house. Let's go upstairs. It's time for sleep. Oh, Mommy, if the thunderstorm hit our house, what do we do? Don't worry, it's never hit your house. Okay? Just sleep. Now it's your turn. Daddy, good night. Good night, sweetheart. Why your tablet is here? I don't know, Daddy. No. Oh my god, honey, come here. I just got what? So this is that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for on the next